If you're craving something cozy and easy, this soup is perfect for fall. Let me show you how I make it. I start by sauteing diced cherry tomatoes with lots of parsley, fresh garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. It makes the quickest, tastiest instant sauce. I let that cook in the Instant Pot for a couple of minutes. Next, I add frozen butternut squash and some tomato puree. Then I season everything with pepper, basil, oregano, and a pinch of salt. Pour in hot water, add your tiny pasta. Here I'm using mini shells, and pressure cook for 3 minutes. Once it's done, give it a little mix so it gets creamy and everything comes together nicely. Then serve. I like topping mine with freshly shredded Parmesan and a slice of Cheesecake Factory brown bread. It's simple, cozy, and super kid-friendly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy family meals. And I'll see you in the next one.